Welcome back guys into part 2 of testing out TEMU items. I've ordered previous item we've covered was the microphone arm. It's still holding up as you can see. Today we're gonna unbox 2 lights in total because beginner filmmakers typically have mindset of buying right away cinema cameras if they have money for them, Red Raven, $5,000, but they don't have lights. So what for a cinema camera when the cinema camera won't do from the shot without lights a total gem and total Hollywood perfection. No. The first one should be this corner floor lamp. The idea with this is that I will probably put it there, and we have to be also very careful because some people commented that it's quite easy to break it. Absolute burger. Beautiful, works very well. 1 star, absolutely nice, man. You will put there 1 star, but you will not type to it anything. How should I know that what is wrong with it? It lacks power. The quality of the product is very poor. Some 5 stars. Nice fit and very warm. They look great on the stage. If you are using this for stage, man, man, why would you use it for professional use? This is the second light we're gonna unbox and test out. Hopefully it will be charged at least to 20% so I can right away test it out. Portable USB/battery powered RGB LED light panel over 16 color choices, 18 milliamperes, battery capacity. Yep, compact square design. Square? This is rectangle, idiot, yeah. Wonderful lamp, it shines brightly. A fantastic lamp, very sturdy. The product is really good and I think it will be sufficient for macro photography. Yeah, sure. If you are just lighting few centimeters, then even your phone is enough. So yeah. But the question is if it's gonna be able to light it up with the sun shining through the curtains. Those curtains are not able to block off every single particle of light, atom of light. Probably not. Most likely not. You have to just buy it and see it for yourself because especially phones, they have auto, ISO, they will change the brightness automatically and that can not portray correctly how much it shines. Oh, watch out, broski. What the hell is this, man? Do you see it? This is totally deformed. Oh, what? No, now you see. That's the tall lamp. Fuck me. Ah, shit. And here we got also a little bit. It's a little bit also deformed, but just a little bit. Okay, again, some feathers sit on it, I guess. Here we got the front, sides, and the back. Charging time 90 minutes, sure. So this one seems that it's gonna work for 100%, but this other one is totally destroyed. Totally. That was everything for the unboxing. No, actually, no, we have to continue. No, I don't know if I should. Let's start with the destroyed one, man, because I'm really curious if it's survived and just the box didn't. Aha! Wait a second. Okay, so here we got the contents of the lamp. Yeah. But why it stinks like a freaking salmon? Salmon is good every now and then to have, but. For real, I'm not kidding, guys. I'm not kidding, man. The arm, surprisingly, is not really smelling like that. I didn't really notice it in the previous unboxing video, but this... What the hell, man? They have some tradition of putting every single item into salmon? Or... I don't know, broski, but let's be very careful with it. Yeah, so it'll have the height because there are 4 pieces with a cable and transparent connector USB. Time for time-lapse maybe. Am I dumb? I may be dumb. I'm dumb. Oh, definitely. Okay, we have it in the stand, in the light stand. Ah, there's the tutorial. I'm building here a reactor or something. What is this? Finally, after 10 minutes of assembling it, it's finally finished and maybe ready to go. It's actually much easier, once everything. Everything is easy once you understand. Oh, do you see it, man? This cable, you have to guide through on the bottom here. Yeah, you have to basically guide it through that part of the tube. And a very important thing, don't forget to put in between those individual tubes these ones, yeah. Okay, let's try it out. Hopefully my house won't blow out. Ah, oh! There was everything. Turn on. What the hell, man? This. Okay, I didn't even know that it has this function. Wait, but I need to change it. How I will change it? Can I somehow green. I guess this is not gonna work. But as you can see, my piece is in one piece. It's not really broken, even after my assembly. Wait, how I would even like connect to it? Is there some Bluetooth or something? Maybe in the USB connector it has. So here is the app, and as you can see, it's already on. Yeah, okay, that's quite noticeable on the camera. I didn't expect that when this light is on. Wait, oh, depends like which color I would choose. Sure. This is something else, man. This is something else. We have still this light to unbox. Aha, this is like waveform. Basically, the more I'm talking, the higher it goes, you know. Hello. Ah, yeah, this is sensitivity basic. Interesting function. Don't know who will use it. But I advise you to be careful with that, because the build quality, those tubes, okay, but the stuff inside of those tubes, not bad at all. Aha, there's more of them. A lot of stuff here. What is this? A lot of stuff it can do. Let's pretend that I'm playing games. Blah 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 blah. What about this? But it's curved, right? It's curved. I have now 9000 IQ move. What if I would put it out of the base, the stand, and place it on the ground? Freaking lightsaber, oh damn boy! Alright, it's not bright enough to light up the whole wall. Ooh, this is also good. Wait a second. What about this? Yeah, kurva. But it was even better idea, but it's not bright enough. But as you can see, it's like bright enough to, you know, light up yourself from this distance, let's say somehow. But like every single light is capable of doing that. So let's put it back on the stand. Oh, but like even this small tint, it's not bad. Wait, this is actually good. This is like typical orange and teal color combination almost. For those of you who know, I have ISO 1150th of a second. I don't know what I should do, man. I don't know. But check it out. Why there are two out of a sudden? Reset. It's broken. Maybe it's not a really good idea to try to fix it when it's having the electricity in it. Why the fuck is it yellow again? Why? Why is it on the top yellow? It's for a broken. Because I now can use it only as a yellow color, because the top portion is just like bugged. It's broken, man. Nice TEMU quality. And what, fuck it, let's leave it posing like this. And let's pray that this one will last longer than 20 minutes. If I wouldn't be messing up with it, but that was a very good idea. It's just not powerful enough. Huh? There's some mount, I don't care about that. Light, cable, and there is everything. Cable is again USB-C. Comparison to my biggest head. Yeah. Quite small. Oh! Right, okay, this is... Wait, I will compare it to my light. Okay, it's probably the same like my... Oh, damn, okay. It's as powerful as my lamp right there. Maybe a little bit more. Okay. But this is like... This is supposed to be soft one. Wait a second. And I can automatically lower down my ISO quite a lot. Oh! Yeah, red. No, this is yellow. Red. Oh, damn, son. Okay. Can I take off the diffuser? I probably cannot. I will not try it because I will mess it up. And this is better to light up the whole wall, man, than the freaking lamp. This is much powerful. What? Oh, nice. No, but anyways, this was like for free because I used up all the credit I received for the first order. Stop it. Okay, this is just the normal light. This is warmer light. This is white light. Anyways, again 1000 ISO on my Canon M50 Mark II f2.8 and 1/50th of a second. And this is how bright the light is. 1000 ISO is not really that much, I would say. Double of the power of iPhone's LED. No, I don't know what I should show you, man. You can light up with it your phone, or I don't know what I should like. Yeah. Not bad, especially the RGB. Oh yeah. This light is probably the item I'm satisfied the most with. It doesn't really have any indicator of the battery, so once it will run out of battery, it will run out of battery. Max power 6.5 watts. Battery 3.7 volts. Charge port Type-C. Yeah, made in China. Okay. That seems so sad. No. Anyways, guys, nah, I'm happy about this. I'm happy about the arm a little bit less, but this is the best one. And it's already a little bit warm. Ah, yeah. Okay, guys, thank you for watching. If you liked it, smash the like button and have a nice day. Hopefully I will see you soon again. Bye, 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 bye.